Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to watch FIFA World Cup matches for free using SBS platform. So SBS is Australia's official free streaming platform that allow you to watch FIFA World Cup matches. So if you are in Australia, then you can directly go to the SBS platform and watch FIFA World Cup matches. You can search SBS on any browser, then click on the live TV option and watch live matches from here. But if you are not in Australia, and if you want to watch FIFA World Cup matches from SBS platform for free, then you need to first install a free VPN app that allows you to connect to Australia location. After installing, just open the app, click on the server location option and set it to Australia. After setting, just connect to Australia and once you are connected, just open any browser on your device and then search for SBS platform and click on live TV option. Now click on watch live option whenever you see FIFA World Cup matches. Now you may need to sign in with your account, or if you don't have the account, then click on create account option. Create your account, verify with your email ID and then sign in with your user ID and password. Now once you sign in with your email ID and password, you will start watching FIFA World Cup matches for free on SBS platform. So that's it. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.